What's up, guys? So today I'm going to do some reupholstery work on the seat of the Goldwing. So it's got a pretty big tear right here. It's got another tear on this side. The back doesn't look too bad. So what I'm going to do is take off the old seat cover on here and then replace it with a new one. So all these are stapled. So I'm going to do the same thing today and use a staple gun to staple the new seat cover onto here. The new one that I have is black, so I think it'll come out looking way better than this one. So this is what the new cover looks like. It's black. It has this pretty nice material on the bottom. Hopefully it actually fits the seat. So I'm going to try to get this on, and I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so I got the seat cover off. The staples are pretty difficult to get off. There's so many of them. The seat itself doesn't look too bad. I mean, I would assume that this black stuff is probably some kind of adhesive from the factory. So what I'm going to do now is put the black cover on. Then hopefully it goes on pretty easily and it actually fits. So I try to use my stapler, and I guess the staples aren't strong enough. Some of them I was able to get through, but most of them aren't going through at all. So like, I guess I have to go get different staples or a stronger staple gun or something, because this isn't working out. I wasted a ton of staples already. So hopefully we'll get there pretty soon. This is kind of what it's starting to look like. Of course, I gotta stretch it out more and staple it down, but I think it'll look good afterwards. Yeah, so gotta go and get new staples or a new stapler or something like that. Alright, I'm back. So the first stapler I was using is a light duty stapler, and it takes the JT21 and T27 staples. So that didn't work. I went to Ace Hardware, got this one, which is a heavy duty stapler that takes the T50 staples. So I got this little pack. Hopefully these will work. Obviously you guys will know in a couple of seconds. So I'm gonna get back to it and start stapling this thing down and seeing if these new staples work with it. So here is kind of the final product. It's not really, some parts are a little empty, I guess. So I'd assume that heat and stuff will shrink it up a little bit better. I put a ton of staples in it, so the new staples I got work pretty well with it. So here's kind of what it looks like now. I'm about to go downstairs and throw it on the bike just to see how it looks on the bike. So it looks way better. It's definitely better than the old one, obviously. This one doesn't have any tears or anything. It's got this anti-slip material on the top and on the top of both sides of it. So I think that will hold me in pretty well, and it'll feel pretty comfortable. You won't have to worry about the cracks and stuff in the old seat anymore. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I got the seat cover from Etsy for like $100, so it's very good quality. The stitching looks really good. The materials seem like they're gonna hold up for a while. So now it's time to go throw it on the motorcycle and see what it looks like when it's on the motorcycle. So here's what it looks like on the motorcycle. Honestly, it looks kind of goofy with the brown, but this stuff is brown. I mean, this stuff's black. So I was kind of thinking maybe it would work with the black, but I think what's throwing it off the most is that stuff back here is still brown. So I don't know if I'm going to replace these yet. I might just go with the black and brown and let it be that way. So yeah, there's the seat. Hopefully with some sun this summer, it'll kind of tighten it up quite a bit. It feels good sitting on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.